Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Here we have 4 flavoured cheesecake, so if you can't decide which one you like best, why not give this a go? Start by mashing up 150 grams of crackers in a food bag. Digestive biscuits work equally well for this. Pour those into a mixing bowl. Pour in 50 millilitres of melted butter and give it a stir. With that mixture, you're going to line the bottom of the cake tin, spreading it out and pressing it down. Then create 4 divisions using crackers. Now for our cream cheese, 550 grams, we're going to whisk it up. Once smooth, add 150 grams of icing sugar. And pour in 600 grams of cream. And 25 grams of melted gelatin. Mix it all together. Now split that into 4 equal portions. To the first, add peanut butter. To the second, chocolate ganache. To the third, we're adding lemon curd and honey. And the fourth, we're going to leave as it is. Now form your segments. And to the plain cheesecake, we're adding some strawberry sauce and giving it a bit of a mix. Chill that for 2 hours, and once set, we can decorate using whipped cream around the edge, some lemon curd for that segment, and some fresh lemon slices. More cream and chocolate ganache for the next one, plus some Oreo cookies. Cream with caramel sauce for the third, and some crushed pistachios. And for the fourth, whipped cream and fresh strawberries. And there you have 4 different flavours in one cheesecake. Amazing!